unstable elements.
Hi guys. Tomorrow there's not really much to do. We're just gonna go to a factory, Woodmead, and then come back, a small street. And that's that. It's another day, another day. Good morning, by the way. How are you guys? Hope you're good. You're good. So sweet. One thing about me, whenever say you're going shopping with me, within an hour I wanna sit down. So yeah, I think it's to take it on lunch. Factory, Woodmead, or whatever it's called. Yeah, I'm so tired. Today just reminded me how much I hate shopping. Right now we at least clicks and then Katelega, like it just reminded me how much I hate shopping. I don't like shopping. I'm tired. I just want to eat and sleep. I no longer want to do this. Yes. Ngate. Laza di farmer di luar kwa. Nasa lagi yang shawarma ya. We're getting into it. Muchachos. Yeah, today one. It's lunchtime. Guys, I came back around 1. I'm half past 1 cause small street. Kabaya around 3:30. And immediately boom, to sleep. Like it's literally dark outside, it's like late. And now we're gonna go to Zigny for dinner. Good, yeah. We're going to Zigny. All is well, guys. All is well. How are we? Yes.